Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. We are at 21st day of June LeetCode challenge and the problem we are going to cover in this video is Pascal's triangle. So this is one of the classic problems in recursion section in LeetCode where the input given here is an integer value num_rows where it represents the number of rows to be present in the Pascal's triangle, and we have to fill in the rows and return that as a list of lists. So let's understand the approach and the code now. So here is the Pascal triangle for n is equal to 5 where it has 6 rows starting from 0 to 5, and we have to fill in the values in such a way that the corner will be of same values, but in the middle it will be the addition of the previous two cells. For example, the 2 comes here by adding 1 and 1 from the previous row. Same way in the next row 1 and 1 are going to be copied from the previous row as such, and 3 and 3 comes from adding 1 and 2 in the middle comes to 3, and 2 and 1 in the middle. Same way, if you consider 4, it is the summation of 1 and 3. If you consider 6, it is the summation of 3 and 3, and if you consider 4, it is the addition of again 3 and 1. So this is how you fill your Pascal triangle. The points to be noted here is if we are at the row 3, then the cells or the values in the row is going to be 3 again. And if suppose we are in the row 5, then it's supposed to have 5 cells in the row. So how are we going to fill it? For example, if we are filling row 5 of column 3, then in that case we should be adding row 4 of 2, column 2 and column 3. So if we consider the current cell as I, then from previous row we have to add I plus I minus 1. That is the value at the position I plus value at the position I minus 1. So hope you're understanding this approach. This can be solved both iteratively and recursively, as we must be familiar with the recursive code in the LeetCode recursion section. I'm gonna approach this in iterative way. So let's get into the code now. So first we have to return a result in the form of list of lists. So I'm gonna declare two lists. So finally, result list is the one we are going to return. So now I'm going to fill each of my row. For that, I'm going to iterate the number of rows given in the input. So for the first row, we are going to simply add 0, 1 because we have to take the addition of 0, 1 to the next row. And we are going to iterate each cell in the row. So we are iterating till row size minus 1 because each row will be having that number of cells. And in every cell we are going to set the value at that position. So yes, we are adding the previous row's value and its adjacent value to compute the new value. And once this is done, we are going to add the current row to our result list. Finally, we are returning the list. So this is it. Let's run and try. Yes, so let's submit and try. Yes, the solution is accepted and runs in 0 milliseconds. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and let me know in comments. Thank you.